birthday, I invite all birthday babies on the stage.
Of class 1E, we celebrate his birthday today, so let us wish together.
Every day we are getting new things. So here comes I just read today's new words. Good morning to our today's new day, sir. Here spelling is C-A. African is Echo Raya. Let's watch and enjoy the presentation. Friends, meet Rahan and Priya. I made you sad. I am sorry. Dear friends, we can overcome challenges together. Being brave and supportive, we can care for the planet together. Thank you.
നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി.
ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി.
Next we welcome a lovely woman to our first gathering.
My name is Shalini Namoso. So this was the first assembly of class 1 and 2 for this year. Yes?